Made Gincho, tiny homes on wheels. Matagincho creates beautiful tiny homes on wheels, blending classic wooden charm with modern comforts. Their homes are designed to fit trailer regulations with a maximum size of 7 by 2.5 by 4 meters. If you need something bigger, they can build it, but it will be stationary. One of the best things about these homes is their flexibility. You can choose to live off-grid with solar panels and a rainwater collection system, or simply connect to local utilities for electricity and sewage. This makes them a great choice for anyone who loves nature but still wants modern conveniences. Matagincho believes their homes offer a special way to enjoy life outdoors while keeping you comfortable. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape, a vacation cabin, or a permanent home, these tiny houses are cozy, stylish, and practical. Foldable Roots JoJo Bean Series. Looking for a compact, affordable, and versatile tiny home? The JoJo Bean Series is perfect for both private living and business use, and it can be yours for just $80,000. With a length of 8 meters and a width between 2.6 to 3 meters, this tiny house is even smaller than many campers, but still provides a cozy and functional living space for two. Inside, you'll find a living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom, along with essential furniture and appliances, making it move-in ready. What makes the JoJo Bean special is its flexible design. It's not just a home. It can be transformed into a mobile restaurant, jewelry store, or any other small business. Whether you're looking for a personal retreat or a creative commercial space, this tiny home adapts to your needs. Plus, it's built within 16 to 20 weeks, so you can start your new adventure in no time. The Nightliner DD45 is the ultimate motorhome for group travel. With 2 floors and space for up to 16 people, it's like a hotel on wheels. Perfect for vacations, road trips, or even business use. Built by a German company, this luxury vehicle offers 538 square feet of living space, about the size of an average apartment. It's packed with high-end features, making it more comfortable than a typical hotel room. Each room has automated air conditioning. The kitchen comes with a built-in coffee maker, and the beds can be adjusted for maximum comfort. This motorhome is fully customizable, with 12 different layouts to choose from. It can serve as a mobile hotel, a lounge, or even an office on the go. Big brands like Suzuki, Aston Martin, and BMW have already used it for their events and travels. If driving a massive vehicle isn't your thing, no worries. The company offers a professional driver to take the wheel. When you need quick, affordable housing, Pallet Shelter is a great solution. Back in 2020, the company built a camp with 60 small homes in just 10 days in California. Each compact house takes only 1 to 2 hours to assemble, making it perfect for emergency shelters, temporary housing, schools, or community centers. These shelters come in various sizes, from a small 6 square meter model to a larger 74 square meter option. Built to last around 10 years, they can also be upgraded with heating and air conditioning to suit different climates. Safety is a priority. Each unit includes smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, plus fire extinguishers for protection. The starting price is $7,500, making these shelters a budget-friendly and fast solution for those in need. Pod Studio, the future of tiny homes? The Pod Studio by Podform is being called the smartest tiny house ever, but does it really deserve the title? Let's find out. This high-tech home is packed with modern features like Starlink Internet, solar panels 9.6 kilowatts, and powerful 30 kilowatt batteries, allowing it to run completely off-grid. It's also built to last, with materials that can resist fire for 90 minutes and handle strong winds up to 44 miles per second. The PHOD-X Go Grand S1 is the best of both worlds, offering the mobility of a camper with the luxury of a motorhome. Designed to be easily towed by a Ford F-250, this trailer transforms into a spacious 34 square meter living area in just 15 minutes, giving you a cozy home wherever you go. Its Smart Edge 1 system takes care of all the essentials, from lighting and climate control to security alerts for smoke, break-ins, and other emergencies. Inside, every inch is used efficiently, providing a comfortable space for work, relaxation, or full-time living, no matter the season. With self-leveling technology for easy parking, multiple interior design options, and built-in solar panels for off-grid adventures, the S1 is made for convenience and sustainability. Whether you need a home on the road or a stylish getaway, this camper delivers. And with a starting price of $85,000, it's packed with features that make it feel like a true home on wheels. Would you say it's worth the price? Power Dome, the ultimate solar glamping tent. Love camping with comfort? The Power Dome is a futuristic glamping tent that generates its own power, so you can enjoy nature without worrying about electricity. Its sleek design and self-sufficient setup make it perfect for eco-conscious adventurers. The tent's triangular solar panels are made from photovoltaic glass, allowing it to produce up to 10 kilowatts of energy, enough to power all your essentials. No complicated wiring is needed, making it super easy to set up. With an 8-meter diameter, this dome comfortably fits 4 guests, offering plenty of room to relax. Inside, it combines the coziness of a classic camping lodge with the luxuries of a modern hotel. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, knowing your tent is powered by the sun. The Rhinomax Lost Track 18.5 feet is the perfect off-road camper for those who crave adventure. Built tough, it features a heavy-duty chassis, rugged suspension, and plenty of storage for all your gear, so you're ready for any journey. Inside, comfort meets convenience. A fully equipped kitchen makes cooking on the go easy, and the cozy sleeping space ensures you get a great night's rest. With an off-grid power system, you can stay powered up no matter how far off the beaten path you go. This camper is made to handle tough terrains. Its high clearance and advanced suspension let you tackle rocky trails, sandy dunes, or muddy tracks with confidence. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or camping under the stars, the Lost Track is designed to keep you comfortable while exploring the great outdoors. With its strong build and smart features, this trailer is ideal for travelers who want the freedom to explore without limits. Rioja Bespoke Projects creates some of the most luxurious and customized motorhomes in the world. These Spanish-made trailers are built specifically for each owner, making them rare and exclusive. Because of their high cost and attention to detail, they aren't mass-produced. Each one is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. A great example is the custom motorhome designed for motorcycle racer Maverick Vinales, where he stays during his tours. Like all Rioja Bespoke models, it's built for maximum comfort, featuring a smart, space-saving layout with fold-out sections that maximize interior space. Inside, you'll typically find a cozy living room, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, and a large closet. Most models come with 2 or 3 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms, offering all the comforts of home on the road. These motorhomes are more than just vehicles. They're luxury homes on wheels. The Rocket One by German company Rocket Camper is a compact and clever minivan designed for life on the go. It transforms an ordinary van into a cozy, functional home on wheels, making road trips and off-grid adventures more comfortable than ever. Inside, the back holds a spacious double bed, while the middle features a kitchenette and convertible passenger seats that turn into extra beds. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or as a family, this camper adapts to your needs with smart use of space. The Rocket One comes in 3 sizes. The smallest model, at 17.7 feet long, comfortably fits 4 people, while the largest, at 21 feet, can accommodate up to 5. Despite its compact size, it offers all the essentials for a great road trip. sleeping space, cooking facilities, and plenty of storage. With its sleek design and practical layout, the Rocket One makes van life simple and fun. Seal 7.5. What if your caravan could travel on both land and water? That's exactly what the Seal 7.0 offers. At 7.5 meters long with 2 axles, this amazing vehicle lets you explore campsites, lakes, and rivers without worrying about space. If the campsite is full, just drive into the water, drop anchor, and enjoy the view. With a 50 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of 24 kilometers per hour, making water travel easy and fun. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a comfortable adventure. The kitchen comes with a stove, oven, and a 152-liter refrigerator, while the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and storage lockers. The living space is cozy and practical, featuring a double bed and a single bed, plus convertible furniture to suit your needs. It also has LED lighting, reading lights, and a 70-liter clean water tank, ensuring a stress-free stay. The Sherpa and Pursuit are tough, go-anywhere off-road campers from Australian company BRS Off-Road, built for adventure lovers who want freedom and comfort in the wild. The Sherpa is perfect for off-grid travel, featuring a solar panel that keeps your devices powered without relying on city electricity. Its spacious, well-ventilated living area is raised off the ground, keeping you safe from bugs and small animals while you relax. The Pursuit takes things up a notch with a smartly designed interior. It comes with a full kitchen for easy meal prep, a cozy double bed with a sky view for stargazing, and even an entertainment center for unwinding after a long day. Both models are built to tackle rough terrain, giving you the confidence to explore remote destinations without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're crossing the outback, camping in the mountains, or escaping to hidden trails, these campers are ready for anything. The SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 is a rugged off-road camper built for adventure, perfect for tackling Australia's toughest terrain while keeping you comfortable. With a powerful 180 horsepower engine and 12 or 16 gears, this compact yet mighty camper can handle just about anything. Despite its small 12.6-foot frame, it's packed with everything you need for a comfortable journey. Inside, there's a well-equipped kitchen with a stove and sink, a cozy lounge with a sofa and large screen, a full bathroom, and a spacious bed for restful sleep. For off-grid power, you can add high-efficiency energy systems that generate up to 7 kilowatts, along with solar panels for sustainable electricity. The 79-gallon water storage system is divided into individual cells and features built-in filters to ensure clean water on the go. Plus, the diesel-powered heating and water system keep you warm in any weather. Whether you're exploring the outback, climbing mountains, or heading into the unknown, the SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 is built to take you there. The Supertramp Flagship LT is a lightweight, feature-packed camper designed for adventure lovers who want to explore the great outdoors without giving up comfort. Whether you're deep in the mountains or off the beaten path, this camper makes you feel right at home. With 35 cubic feet of storage, including a hidden 48-inch drawer under the floor, you'll have plenty of space for all your gear. The camper's body is made using advanced composite materials, no metal or wood, making it strong yet incredibly light. One of its best features is the electric roof lift, which extends in just 10 seconds, giving you enough headroom to stand up comfortably. Inside, you'll find multiple beds, built-in plumbing, and a full electricity system, ensuring you have everything you need for a stress-free trip. Designed for efficiency and durability, the Flagship LT is perfect for those who love off-grid adventures but don't want to compromise on convenience. Whether you're camping under the stars or road tripping through rugged terrain, Craft Big Sky. If you love comfort but also want mobility, the Big Sky Tiny Home on Wheels is a perfect choice. Covering 37 square meters, 13 by 3 meters, this cozy yet spacious house is designed for modern living with a charming rustic touch. It comes fully equipped with all the essentials: a washer and dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator, and stove, so you have everything you need to feel at home. The smart layout includes a porch, a comfy living room, a functional kitchen, a full bathroom, and a cozy bedroom. Plus, there's an attic space that can easily accommodate overnight guests, making it great for hosting friends or family. Despite its compact size, the Big Sky maximizes every inch to create a comfortable and stylish living space. Whether you want a full-time home or a weekend getaway, this tiny house offers both convenience and charm. The best part? It takes just 14 to 16 weeks to build, so you won't have to wait long to move in.